think sleep apnea is just snoring. Think again. Untreated sleep apnea can affect much more than your sleep. It may increase the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, memory, and concentration problems. It can also leave you feeling tired, irritable, and low on energy every day. The good news? Help is available. At Red House Dental, we help patients find effective solutions for sleep apnea. Book your consultation today and enjoy healthier, more restful sleep.